What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And right now we are going to go over these prune scissors right here. It says garden scissors on it, you guys, but these are regular pruners. If you're not into battery powered and all of that, you want to just be original, here you go. So right here we have our Japanese tree. Link will be in the description. I will be using these it says cut resistant gloves, you guys, so they're not cut proof but cut resistant. I don't know if they have cut proof. I will look it up. Oh, it cuts pretty good, you guys. I didn't even have to put no effort into it. All right, nice. That was the Japanese maple right there. It was basically growing like a regular tree, and it's supposed to grow like a, you know, like a designer maple, Japanese maple tree. So there you go, and it looks better now. You guys, I love rose bushes, but it's the part when you get poked. So this is pretty thick, you guys. I'll give this about like a half an inch. Let's go. So cut nice and easy. The best way is to get really close and then cut. All right, so we are going to cut this, or still might be a half an inch. I may need two hands, or may need to go in a little further, and there you go. So I am doing hard pruning. All right, the rose bush will grow back. Subscribe to the channel just to see if it grows back or not. All right, you guys, but that's it with this pruner and the gloves. I was doing a review on the gloves too, you guys, but the pruner, you push in, it's supposed to lock. Let's see. Okay. Oh, push that way. So you push that way and it locks. All right, unlock, push in, close, lock. Oh, I didn't close tight enough. There you go. And the good thing about this, it has very comfortable foam on the handles. So even if you're using your bare hands, it's very comfortable. All right, you guys, so that's it. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.